This is a whole new fucking week, ladies and gentlemen. And it's all up to you what you're gonna do. The mission for the week is you're gonna be a little better than what you were last week. You don't give a fuck what happened last week. Last week was last week, and now you're out there. Who gives a fuck? This is your week, motherfuckers. Today's your lucky day. Nobody gets you to the next level. You get yourself to the next level. So strap your balls, powder your fucking nutsack, write your fucking goals, comb your hair, brush your teeth with a little Listerine, and get out there